Hello everyone. So welcome to this lecture, and here we'll start new data mining techniques, that is regression analysis. So before start with regression analysis, let's see where we are exactly. Since already we are aware with this tree diagram, and this shows that data mining has total 4 major functionalities: association mining, classification and clustering. So in my previous lecture already we have covered all three data mining techniques along with the mathematical implementation of a priori algorithm, FP tree algorithm, naive Bayesian classification, ID3 algorithm, k-means clustering and hierarchical clustering. And now we'll start with regression analysis, and in this module we'll cover linear regression and polynomial regression. So first we'll start with introduction part, and in the introduction we'll see the definition first. Regression analysis definition says that regression analysis is the statistical approach where we are trying to identify the mathematical relationship amongst the data set. In better way, this definition can be understood with the help of this figure. This figure says that here we have the data set, and from the data set we select some samples, and that samples is called training set. Here we are selecting the samples only for the purpose of experiment and to build the model. So what we are doing over here, we are selecting the samples from the data set, and after selecting the samples from the data set, then we apply regression analysis algorithm on the training set, and after applying the regression analysis technique on the training set, in output we get relationship amongst the data sets. So since here the two types of data we have taken, that is red color samples and blue color samples, so in the output here we'll get the relationship between the red color samples and blue color samples. So there might be the case after doing the analysis, here we may get some equation y equal to 3x plus 1. So here we can say this equation is nothing but it is a mathematical relationship amongst the x and y. So for the purpose of example, here we can consider x is nothing but blue color samples and y is nothing but red color samples. And in general we can say that the relationship between the red color sample and the blue color sample is y equal to 3x plus 1, or if we want to calculate the value of red color samples, in that case we need to multiply 3 with blue color samples and then we'll have to add 1. Then after doing that we can find the value of red color samples. So this is how the regression analysis algorithm work, and this is a very basic approach. And here we have not taken some real world example. For the sake of understanding, here we have taken the example of red color samples and the blue color samples, but in my coming lecture we'll take some real world example, and over there you will going to understand everything in detail. And for the time being, this is the end of this lecture, and from the next lecture we'll start with the properties of regression analysis, and after that we'll see the types of regression analysis. Thank you.